Alright guys, it is Thursday, August 26th, 2021 at 5:51 p.m. Alright, let's take a look here. We have dailyverses.net, the verse of the day. We have, I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. The life I now live in the body, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. Galatians 2:20. Alright guys, let's start with from Ida from National Hurricane Center. We have three things in the Atlantic. We have Tropical Storm Ida, then we have Disturbance 1 with 50% chance of formation in 48 hours, and then we have Disturbance 2 further out in the Atlantic with 60% chance of tackle formation in 48 hours. Alright, let's start with Ida. Tropical Storm Ida has maximum sustained winds of 35 knots or 40 miles an hour, minimal central pressure of 1,006 millibars, located at 18.0 north and 79.8 west, movement northwest at 12 knots or 14 miles an hour. Let's take a look. We have key messages for Tropical Depression 9 or Tropical Storm Ida. It says tropical conditions are expected in portions of the Cayman Islands tonight and in portions of western Cuba and the Isle of Youth on Friday. Dangerous storm surges possible Friday in portions of western Cuba, including the Isle of Youth in areas of onshore flow. Life-threatening heavy rains, flash flooding, and mudslides are expected across Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and western Cuba, including the Isles of Youth. The system is forecast to approach the northern Gulf Coast at or near major hurricane intensity on Sunday, where there is an increasing risk of life-threatening storm surge, damaging hurricane force winds, and heavy rainfall Sunday and Monday, especially along the coast of Louisiana. Storm surge and hurricane watches will likely be issued for a portion of this area later tonight and Friday morning. Interest in these areas should closely monitor the progress of the system and follow any advice given by local officials. Let's take a look at the Tropical Storm Ida's cone. We have it being a storm by 2 p.m. on Friday below Cuba. Still a storm at 2 a.m. on Saturday. It turns into a hurricane by 2 p.m. on Saturday. Possibly 2 a.m. on Sunday, still increasing as a hurricane. And then 2 p.m. on Sunday, a hurricane as it reaches the Louisiana coast. Either 2 p.m. Sunday, it will be already reaching, or in the evening of Sunday. So it's going to be a whole day of a lot of bad weather for Louisiana. Then 2 p.m. on Monday, it'll be a storm, and then a depression as it goes on 2 p.m. on Tuesday over Arkansas, Mississippi, and the Tennessee area. It is current center of location 18.0 north, 79.8 west, maximum sustained winds of 35 miles an hour, movement northwest at 14 miles an hour. Alright, let's take a look at Twitter. We have GFS says the whole story. Look at the forecast. Boom, right into Louisiana. Oh, cross Cuba, and then just boom, right into Louisiana. So we have Louisiana have heads up. Also, Texas and Mississippi and Alabama heads up, because you never know if it'll turn more west or more east. So it's just a heads up for the Gulf, pretty much. Alright, let's take a look at what's happening right now in the infrared satellite over Cuba. This is Ida. Let's take a closer look at the area. So this is Ida over Jamaica and Cuba right now. It will be getting stronger and building as it gets into the warmer waters of the Gulf. Alright, let's take a look at Windy. This is by Saturday 8 a.m. what it looks like after it has left Cuba. Let's forward a little bit as it gets closer to Louisiana. By Sunday 12 a.m. getting stronger. By Sunday 4 a.m. getting closer to the shoreline of Louisiana. By Sunday 11 a.m. look at that. Already affecting parts of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. bringing tides, tide surge, and all that to the coastline. By Sunday, 6 p.m., by Sunday evening, 10 p.m., so late into the evening of Sunday and early into Monday is when Louisiana is going to be getting rocked by this possible storm Ida. Alright, guys. Heads up, Louisiana. Alright, let's take a look at intensity models. This is Tropical Storm 9 or Ida model intensity guidance. It could possibly be getting into a category 1 or 2. Very few models have it running into a category 3, but you never know how strong a storm will get as it approaches land. They tend to intensify. Alright, this is Tropical Storm 9 or Ida's model track guidance. As you see it, the majority of the tracks are showing it going over the western tip of Cuba, and then heading into the Gulf, the warm waters of the Gulf, and then strengthening and hitting Louisiana, and then curving over Alabama and Mississippi, going over Tennessee and into parts of North Carolina. Alright, guys, so this whole south should be heads up that this Sunday and Monday we're going to be getting strong weather coming in. Alright, guys, so that's it. Please pray for the people of Jamaica because they're going through the storm right now. Please pray for the people of Cuba because they're going to be going through it soon. Please pray for the people of Louisiana or wherever it decides to make landfall in the Gulf. Please pray for them. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more news, and God bless you guys. See you guys next time.